Welcome to tutorial videos of GrabGuidance. GrabGuidance is a portal where we are connecting learner with expert on one-to-one virtual basis. In this video, I'll be sharing how to log in as a user. Open your browser, type in www.grabguidance.com. You will land on the home page. On the extreme right, you will see User Sign In. Click on User Sign In. A dialog box will pop up. Now, as you already know, in our first video, I have explained you how to sign up as a new user. We are already registered, so we need to log in. Enter your registered mobile number. Here, I am entering my registered mobile number. Now, click on Login. Here, you need to enter your OTP. I have got OTP on my number, that is 4178. Now I have successfully logged in as registered user. So if you wish to log out, just go to the extreme right of the header, click on this drop down arrow and click on Logout. Thank you for watching tutorial video.